Welcome. If you're facing issues with Pinterest not downloading messages on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through several effective solutions to get your messages back on track. Step 1. Ask the sender to resend the message. Sometimes, the simplest solution is the best one. If you're having trouble accessing a specific message, ask the sender to resend it. This can often resolve any temporary glitches. Step 2. Refresh the Pinterest web page. Next, give your browser a quick refresh. Click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can help reload the page and might fix any loading issues that are preventing your messages from appearing. Step 3. Close and reopen your browser. If refreshing doesn't work, try closing your browser completely and then reopening it. This can clear any minor bugs that may be affecting your browsing experience. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for using Pinterest effectively. From the notifications area on your PC, click on the network icon to check if you are connected. If there are issues, consider troubleshooting your network or reconnecting. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can make all the difference. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button. This can help refresh system processes that may be causing issues. Step 6. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve many issues related to loading and functionality. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of your browser. Select Delete Browsing Data, and ensure all options are checked with the time range set to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear everything. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Pinterest not downloading messages on your PC after the recent update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.